the channel for games, guides, and glitches. Suddenfall here with the guide for Blacksmith Forger. So the first thing you have to do is the tutorial, which doesn't unlock any achievements, but you can't play the game until you do the tutorial. So you want to grab a iron ingot and then put it in the furnace, then go over here and grab a handle for the sword. Place that at the end here. Grab the iron ingot and put it in the water. Once it turns silver, or iron, I'm not sure if it's a silver ingot or an iron ingot, I think silver, but hand it to the person and that's the tutorial done. I will open the book at the end of this video to show you all the things so you can pause on them and then you don't have to look at the book yourself because some of the combinations are a bit complicated. But if we want to hit play and we'll have customers show up, we have to serve 10 customers. So you can pre-prepare the items like so if they're small little daggers. Sometimes you'll get lucky and just have to get them a bar, in this case a gold bar, so I put the gold ingot into the furnace, wait for it, and then put it in the water. Once we sell our 10th item, that'll be all the achievements. So it's a fairly simple game. As you can see, I got really lucky with them wanting just gold bars, so it doesn't require much. Now we start to get the more complicated ones. So the long swords require 2 of whatever it needs. So in this case, it's gold. So we'll go with the 2 gold ingots. And then we'll get ready to do the silver one. So place the 2 gold ones here and then I'll make a longsword, and you have to go around it on the other side to actually grab it. It's a bit finicky otherwise. Same with the longsword, only it's just silver instead. So now we're back to daggers, which is thankful. I got 2 long swords. Now we just have to sell 1 more item for the last achievement. With the gold shield in the book, it's the opposite for the silver. For some reason it doesn't show the silver shield, but here's the book and your last achievement for selling 10 items. And that gives you 1000 Gs. Congratulations and thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.